a small woodlot. Sorry about the background noise, but I'm doing fence posts today out at the farm. Let's get started. Stop that posting.
All right.
Move the board.
It's just walking itself right into the same hole. Oh, hey there, buddy. Little mouse. Hey, Dad, you chased a little mouse out of its home.
When?
I was recording. Oh, he does have lights in the back.
All right, Chris. Okay, everybody, my fence project isn't perfect, but keep in mind I am reusing lumber where I can because of well, supplies are kind of short. But for what I've done the last few days since I introduced the little new toy, I'm going to show you what I've gotten done so far. Hold on a moment. We have stopped our progress right here, because every one of these boards going across here are kind of sort of sagging and warped. I'm still attached to the old posts here. I'm putting down all my new posts up here. Not exactly perfect, but hey, first time running a machine, I'm not doing too bad, I don't think. I've run from the double gates up there all the way down to here so far, replacing the posts. As you can see, these boards have got a couple whoops to them, or, well, put it to you politely, a drunk driver might get sick if he turns around and tries walking these boards. I ran all this in a grand total of about 4.5 hours, pretty much, with my boy. From the tall post there, and the solar panel post, all the way down, dealing through these trees. I'm gonna cut these tops off tomorrow night, all the way on down, and I'm probably gonna end up planting a few more posts in the next few days to straighten up all of that. Okay, with that all being said, I'm out here. It's getting dark, it's getting late. I did my regular job this morning from 4 o'clock this morning until 3. So that was a 13-hour day, or I'm sorry, 11-hour day. And then I came up here to do this. You have a good night. Have a better tomorrow. If you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up, like the video, and leave a comment. And remember, tomorrow's another day. Let's make the most of it.